latte, and then I realized I had forgotten to say I wanted a decaf. Fuck me. Can't have caffeine at all. I'm waiting for a flight to Barcelona. I got another decaf one, but that's because they delayed my flight, so I just got it. They delayed it an hour. We are again. Yogurt, because I haven't eaten anything. So I'm gonna go to the organic supermarket over there. And then I think I have the whole day. So I think I'm gonna go to a yoga class that I found, BOOBS TEE, which is a style I really like, of course. Everywhere does it different.
That is that. What I will suggest, sir, today is Monday. Maybe we speak again on Wednesday. Hello?
Yes.
And why I say we speak on Wednesday, well, I just want to look at the legal implications.
So, Barcelona Chronicles. I went to the doctor. Then I went to, well, actually before the doctor, I went to a yoga class because I had an hour to kill and I thought that's the best thing I can do. I hadn't done yoga today, so I was kind of feeling a bit like I needed it. Then I went to the doctor, then I went to pick up some knickers for my mom, some really special knickers from Eres. They had to be from Eres. And then I went into a jewelry shop because I needed to know my ring size because I'm having a custom ring made in sapphire and I just need to know my ring size. But for that I actually told them that I was looking for a sapphire so that I could, you know, have the excuse that I wanted to order it. And they started showing me everything and like really gigantic rings with lots of diamonds. I've been redoing my website because I was inspired by some captures. I was inspired by some screen captures that I had of my website back in 2002 or something. It was very artistic and it contained everything I do in one place, which I missed, to be honest. I missed that concept of, first of all, I don't like the whole followers situation. I think it just imposes content on people that don't necessarily want to see that content at that moment. And it's just, I don't like what I see on Instagram all the time. It's just like, if I want to see that person, then let me go to the website. But of course it doesn't work like that because all we do is be on Instagram. If we wait for people to go on our website, or if you yourself wait to go on a website, you just never do because you're distracted by other things. So that has changed, but I want to combat that somehow. So I just want to go back to having a website basically where I have all my stuff, and then maybe on Instagram I can announce things, as in now I have this new thing, but not to actually put the content there. I don't know, I'm struggling to figure out a way that satisfies me and that I think is noble. But also, you know, a few years ago when I started working with music people, everybody always has recommended that I have a separate entity that is just for my artistic work. But the thing is, it's not as easy as saying that my artistic work is my music, because actually I do very many different works, all of which are artistic. And I find it extremely hard to compartmentalize and put the music in one place, the photos in the other, the videos in the other. Like, it all kind of works together. The lifestyle kind of diaries, philosophical discoveries, it's just all this world of wonder and inspiration that I create, that I very much wanted to be part of the same thing. I think we have found the area of the buses. Look at my sunset. How pretty. I had an ice cream in the beautiful traditional bakery that is Maori. And then I took some horchata to take away because that's what I do. I always take horchata when I come to Spain. So basically today I have eaten my morning smoothie at like 8 in the morning. Then I had ice cream. Then I had 3 petit suisse, which are not really petit suisse. I had petit malin, which are better because they're organic and all of that. There's my bus. And then I'm gonna have horchata after that. Barcelona airport is huge. It's one of those. I don't like huge airports, so for me it's not good. It just takes forever. You just walk and you don't get anywhere. I tried to get an earlier flight, but they didn't want to give it to me. They wanted to make me pay 40 euros, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait around. You know what I'm doing this week? I'm following a male grooming regime. So I'm not painting my nails, but I did do a very nice manicure about, well, a week ago now, so you can tell that I need to do my cuticles again. But basically it's for the nails to be always looking good just by brushing them underneath, and the essentials without wasting too much time. And even my toenails, I have been using a pumice stone almost every day. I've buffed them. They are clean, they look good. I've kept them healthy without any rough bits, but I haven't painted them. And they look really much better than they look when they're painted, and then you take the paint off and it's all like disgusting. And also it forces you to keep them good instead of waiting 2 weeks for a pedicure and then doing everything. This is more about maintenance, everyday maintenance. And I like that concept a lot. I think maybe as women we've become a bit rigid with our way of doing things, and as humans in general, this might be the best way of doing things. See how pretty they look? I never thought that my nails could look this pretty natural, but if you just leave them and put on some hand cream, then they do. I was just filing them, so now they're gonna have these little bits until they polish off.